Today, we're visiting DT51 in Beijing's Chaoyang district. This shopping mall is eye-catching enough with its color-changing laser facade that glows in the sunlight. As soon as you walk through the gate, you'll be greeted by kangaroos, which are actually art installations. Let's follow these kangaroos to start our journey. Besides the kangaroos on the first floor, you will also find 56 cute rabbits on the fourth floor. You can interact with them by squatting or raising your arms. The rabbits will give you feedback with corresponding actions. These fun and interactive installations will make you feel happy as if you were back in your childhood. Here, you can also enjoy spiritual richness and peace. The Rendezvous is both a bookstore and a cafe, offering a cultural space with a selection of good books, aromatic coffees, and cultural salons. If you have little ones, head to the fourth floor. This is a paradise for kids and parents, with many high-quality children's brands and play areas for children. The BHG Marketplace on the first basement level offers up to 150 kinds of fresh vegetables, meat, and seafood. Japanese and Western cuisines are also prepared by chefs on site. It's early autumn, and it's time to pick up your regimen. In addition to the shopping experience, DT51 has also offered a special Tai Chi activity, inviting Tai Chi masters to teach visitors and customers. At DT51, you can find high-end and exquisite brands, explore the beauty of life, and also feel the hustle and bustle of the community. This is just the right way to start a better life.